there's not much in here. I did find an animal, just a common, and a flocked Stitch. Pretty cute. The box is kind of wrecked, so what I wasn't really looking for anything specific, but they don't really have much that catches my eye. But as I was about to go, I found the Insidious Wheezing Demon, and I found the Insidious Red-Faced Demon. That's cool. So I'm gonna take those for sure. I don't have much over here either. Just a bunch of random stuff. Nothing that I'm looking for. Sketch up my cart. Got some little cool Freddy things. These are cute. I love this anime though, it's really good. Not much, just a whole bunch of random stuff. I think that's gonna be it for me. I wasn't even looking for those Insidious pops until I actually found them. Just a whole bunch of randomness. Nothing that I'm looking for, but I will take these for sure. These are gonna be really cool. So I'm back from Target, and I did pick up those pops I found, the ones from Insidious, and I actually went back and I did pick up Animal. I couldn't leave them behind. So let's take these out. I know it's not the flocked one, but he was just too cool to just leave behind. Anyways, let's look at Animal first. He is the shared sticker from the 2024 fall convention. The box was actually in pretty good shape, considering it was from Target, because a lot of those boxes are really messed up. But yeah, I just couldn't leave them behind. I wanted to check them out because I also did get, I recently got a Cookie Monster, and I don't know, maybe I'll just get the others that are missing. But let's check out Animal and see how he looks. Let's see. All right, let's put him here. Okay, one sec. Okay, let's put this one there. Put you there. All right, so we got Animal, or the little drum set, and the little cymbals. How cool is this, right? I mean, kind of wish that either the drum set was a little higher or they had made Animal a little shorter, because it looks kind of weird having this teeny tiny little drum set. Like, check it out. See that? It looks kind of off proportion here, but I mean, it's fine. It's cool. He is not the flocked version, obviously, because it wasn't going to be there at Target, but nonetheless, it's still pretty cool. I just couldn't leave him behind. He was the only one. He was the last one there. So he looks pretty cool. I like it. The little tiny drum set. And the two little cymbals. So that's pretty cool. Let's set this one aside. We'll put him right here for now. All right, next we have the Wheezing demon from Insidious. I mean, I loved this movie when it first came out. It was amazing. I loved it. So I didn't even know they had pops of Insidious, but I mean, I shouldn't be surprised, right? I don't have a lot of horror, but this one is pretty cool. Look at that. You could see all the little details they put up on this one. That's pretty cool. Awesome. The Wheezing demon. Put him right there. Oh, was he too top heavy? Yeah, I think he is. Okay, let's look at the red-faced demon. This one looks amazing. Look at all that detail they put on this one. This box is really nice too. It doesn't really have any damage at all either. So let's check them out. All right, here we go. The red-faced demon. Look at that. How awesome is this, right? I mean, I would not like to see this guy personally in real life because I'd probably freak out. But it looks really cool. Look at all that detail. Creepy. There we go. Does that one stand? Yeah, that one stands. Pretty cool. I wonder if they're gonna make more of these. This one, I think they didn't make him good enough to actually stand on his own, which is not cool. But yeah, those were my pickups. These guys and animal back here. Put them right there. All right. So these were my pickups from Target. I was pretty excited to have found these. These are really cool pops. Like I said, I wasn't gonna get animal, but I just couldn't leave him behind. He was the only one there, so I'm kind of excited I grabbed him though. He looks pretty cool. Especially these two. These are pretty amazing too. But that's it for today. Just a little short pop hunting video and a little unboxing for you guys. So I'll see you later. Thank you for stopping by, and like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And always remember to keep those collections growing and the shelves overflowing. I'll see you guys in the next popping adventure. Bye guys.